Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've put together a short and sweet video that takes you through a random weekend in our lives. This particular weekend we had some fun stuff to do, and then also I had to get some cleaning done because my husband Mike is having surgery on Monday, and then the following week we're going to be on vacation. So I knew those 2 weeks were kind of out of the question for me as far as cleaning goes, so I wanted to get those things accomplished as well. So let's go ahead and hop into it. These first couple of shots are from my niece's graduation party. She graduates high school in June, so we went there and I just wanted to get a couple of shots of the cake and some of the decorations, and then we headed home that afternoon so that I could get some cleaning done. I decided to start out in the bathroom. The shower and tub really needed some TLC. The countertops were okay because I just did those a couple of weeks ago, but the toilet also, I don't know what's going on with my toilet lately, but it definitely needed a good cleaning as well. Here I'm using the Bon Ami cleaner from Grove Collaborative. It's similar to a Comet powder type cleaner. So I just sprinkle that on, let it sit for a few, then I give it a good scrub and rinse. For the toilet, I'm using a Lysol toilet cleaner. I do prefer the Clorox toilet wand, but I had forgotten to pick up any refills at the grocery store, so I just added that to my list because I'm also officially out of this cleaner too. Since it's been so tough to keep my toilet clean lately, I did go ahead and buy some of those Clorox drops that you drop in the back of the toilet, and I'm hoping that that helps save me from having to clean the toilets once a week. The one thing I will say about this cleaner, and really any other powder cleaner, is that you want to make sure you rinse really well. Otherwise, if you're a bath taker, when you go to get in the bath, you will feel the grainy powder still in the bath. So yes, make sure you rinse very, very well. This was a hard lesson learned for me with this, so I'll probably go with a liquid cleaner from now on. Next up, I'm moving on to my bedroom. I needed to get a little dusting done. As you guys will see, I have my sheets in the wash as well, and I do some vacuuming. And I do apologize, the lighting is really terrible in here right now. It was dark, some overhead lights in our bedroom, they weren't working, so it was really tough, but I hope you guys are getting some motivation nonetheless. for dusting, I just use some basic furniture polish and a cloth. If you guys watch my cleaning tips video from a while ago, one of my tips is to keep a bag full of just old cloths and rags that you can pull from whenever you need to clean something. It saves money and helps save the environment from using lots of paper towels. So I'll link that video down below just in case you guys want to check it out. Going through these papers here reminded me that I also have more school papers to go through again, with it almost being the end of the year for my son. So I think I'll be putting another video together of that, just some cleaning and organization and purging to hopefully give you guys some motivation there. Vacuuming has to be one of the most satisfying things for me, whether it's carpet or hard floors. Hard floors you can obviously see and feel the clean, and carpet, those little lines really, I don't know, it just feeds my neat freak. So yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do. So the rest of this evening, I made the bed. I also folded some laundry just to make sure we were prepared for the coming week and a little bit beyond. Going into the next day, we knew we wanted to get outside and do a few things, so we started off by heading to a local park, and we took my son's scooter along. Honestly didn't last long at the park because it was so hot. It's been really hot here for May, so we decided to go home and get our swim gear on and head to the pool. Liam has done such a good job this year, even with it being so early, with diving and going in the water. So I'm looking forward to the rest of the summer because it's going to be lots of fun. And as you'll see in a minute, we decided to end the night just relaxing, being lazy. Liam and my husband were playing Fortnite, and I was laying in bed reading a book. Anyway, that's the end of this video, so I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, you will like and subscribe. Please let me know in the comments down below if there's anything special you want to see. I want to get out some more cleaning and declutter motivation soon, and definitely a vlog of our upcoming trip to the Outer Banks. Anyway, I hope to see you guys next weekend. Bye!